Okay, going to be going over daily bias today on NASDAQ. So, starting with news, actually, today we had unemployment. So, this is the day after Christmas. I'm not going to be trading until like January 6th, I think. So, next week we have New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, a couple days after that. And then I think it's Thursday, no, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday are probably going to be dead days. And then I'm going to be back on trading that following Monday. So I'm going to be taking a break, obviously. I don't really want to risk it with these. Obviously, we see price action during most of London session was also not very good. So, with this on the 1 minute time frame, anyways. So we will start on the 4 hour time frame with two very prominent draws of liquidity here. We have this low here and this high right here. Obviously, these are home run stretches. However, though, this is a long way away from getting hit. This one seems a little bit more achievable and kind of what I want to see. Bullish right now, I want to see these lows get taken out, and then we have uh, an order block located over here. We did also generate this imbalance, but this is also on the 4 hour. We have 40 minutes right around New York Open is when the new 4 hour candle will start. So this will probably generate a pretty good bearish imbalance. So price is going to want to continue to move up. Scaling down to the 1 hour, we see this was a bullish order block located right here. I don't think I marked this out correctly, but we'll go into smaller time frame order block. So we also generated a couple areas of bearish imbalance here, and then this one already got filled in pretty much. So this one's going to be a pretty prominent target, I believe, along with this hourly bearish order block located right here. And there's a couple of them right there. So a couple prominent draws of liquidity up here, not even just including this high. This is actually a 4 hour high, but also we have all that imbalance and that bearish order block. So we will scale down. I think this is a 30-minute. Yes, this is a 30-minute order block that I marked out right here. We already had price tap into it a couple times and get a strong move up. So we had the final move down. Honestly, you could just mark the bottom of this here, really. So we had price tap into it and get a move up. I would like to see this area of liquidity get taken out. We do have a little bit of a bullish imbalance left here, but it's okay, it's not even tapped into. So we could see price tap into. I would be more concerned about this large area of imbalance if you're considering trading today. So what I would look for again is on the smaller time frame, I'd probably look for like a 5 minute for value gap also. This is a news candle right here because I forgot there was news even today. So I would want to look for like a 5 minute imbalance somewhere around here, a bearish imbalance, and get a closure above after this liquidity sweep within this uh, bullish order block. So bullish 30-minute order block, you could consider this hour or 4 hour low, kind of the same thing here. And it would probably not target up here, obviously. That's just not even, possible. I don't even think that's really possible, but you would probably get a pretty high probability trade here. So I would look for a few things here. Like I usually look for is a liquidity sweep, price to move within this bearish order block. And for even better, I would like a market structure shift to the upside along with a closure above a fair value gap, whether that's a 1 minute or a 5 minute. Either way tends to work pretty well, but yeah, that's what I would look for in this setup. So this is actually a pretty decent setup if price would like to. I'll probably go on like paper trading probably and run and rip this, but other than that, I mean, there's just nothing for me. Like I'm not going on the funded account for this, so it's just not worth it. I already told myself earlier this week that I wouldn't be doing it. So and that's also something really important is if you are mentally telling yourself you are not going to trade, don't trade. It usually does not go well. Um, it's okay to sit out, especially with all these holidays again, and we had unemployment today too, so it is not good. Uh, trading wise, obviously market does not like to move the most around the holiday, especially December. December price action in general has been terrible. I'd have to say. Uh, you can say it's terrible all you want. At the end of the day, you're the one placing the trades. You on the other side of the screen. So know that again, it can be very improbable. The odds are not even best, but it is what it is. So that's pretty much all my bias today. Kind of a bullish bias with a lot of imbalance and nice draws of liquidity located up here, and a pretty good setup actually located down here. So going to be, if anything, look for a long today for me personally. But again, you could see a sweep of these highs up here as well and continue the direction down. So that's about it.